Hello friends, welcome to our channel Excel to Excellence. All of us are aware about the function of copy and paste, with the help of which we do carry out content copy from one place to the another place. But this function is unable to fulfill all our requirement because sometimes we have to paste values, formula, formats, border, contents, column widths, etc. All these kind of operation can be done with the help of Paste Special. In this video we will learn features of Paste Special. Its keyboard shortcut is Alt ES. Friends, I will recommend you to learn all the keyboard shortcut because it's add-on proficiency in our work. It is time savvy too. Remember this formula Alt ES. In this illustration I have taken sales to the customers made in the month of April 20 by various zones. We will extrapolate this data for the period April 20 to March 20. So that can be done with help of this table, and with illustration we will carry out various function of Paste Special. So insert here table header. So April 20 is given here. Let's say I want projected data up to March 21. That can be filled up with the fill option. Its keyboard shortcut is Alt H Fi and S. Now select autofill option from this dialog box and click OK. Now I have header April 20 to March 21. Say the administration is in favor of 10% escalations each month, so that we can have with the help of simple mathematical function. Here we will take the reference of cell occurred in the month of April 20. So I have selected here cell reference, multiply this with 1.10 because administration is looking for a 10% escalation. I have the escalated figure for the month of May 20. Select the entire period, and with the help of Control R I can have for the entire year. So right here, press here Control R. Now I have the projected cell for the period starting from April 20 to March 21. I have this figure. These figures are formula enabled. The same formula we may copy with the help of Paste Special. So what we have to do, we will select this entire range starting from May with the help of Control C. Now bring your cursor in against the area where we want to copy this formula. So I have selected the entire area. Now press Alt E S. A dialog box will open. From there you select the formulas. The shortcut for this is F. So to paste the formula we have keyboard shortcut Alt E S F. Now press OK. Projected cells for all the zones for the period starting from May 20 to March 21. Some of our data are in decimal function. Our report is looking not much better. So with the help of increase decimal point or decrease decimal point, we can make it uniform. So first increase, now decrease it. So say I want to have whole number. Summation for the month April 20 is given. Again we can copy this formula to the entire data range. Select the entire data range and press Ctrl R. Now I have summation for each and every month. In similar manner we can adjust its decimal places. First increase and then decrease. I will mark border against this table. So select the entire table. Press Alt HBA. This is a keyboard shortcut for application of border to for application of all borders to the selected data range. Friends, still you can see that the data format is not uniform. Somewhere it is bold, somewhere it is in Calibri format, somewhere it is in Vardhana, not looking so good. Officially we do use Vardhana format. So first I will change format to Vardhana. Selected Vardhana. Now the list is in Vardhana. To copy this format to entire range, I will copy East and I will select the entire range. Alt ES and press now T. Press enter. Now our entire data table is in Vardhana format. You can check over here. Entire data table is in Vardhana format. Increase the decimal places with the help of increase decimal and decrease decimal. Notice here our header title is also changed to a number format that can be converted into the date format. So select the entire date, select the header range, right click over this, select format cell. From here I will select date format. Date format is selected. Now we will customize this date format. Select custom. Select date format, custom date format as per our requirement. In this particular case, we want to have and YY date format. So I have selected here YY. Now press OK. Now we have the header in date format. Make it bold. See our data table is with comment. So first I will insert here comment. Insert comment. The comment window can be opened with help of clicking right button over the cell and select comment option. So and low cells due to flood. In similar manner, we can insert a comment in another cell, high cells due to target incentive. We can copy this format, select the entire data range with the help of Ctrl Shift down and then Ctrl Shift right. Copy this. Now press Alt ES and C. The keyboard shortcut for copying the comment is Alt ES C. Right here, Alt ES C. So you can see one small red corner indications. If you move your cursor over this, you can find the earlier comment in the comment box. In the similar manner, at another location you can have the comment. So with the help of these options we can copy comment. Sometime we need not to copy the formula. In that case we will select the entire column, entire data table with the help of Ctrl C. Now press Alt E S V. So Alt E S V is the keyboard shortcut to copy only values. I have down the values. You move your cursor over any of the data point, you will not find any formula, whereas in our mother sheet we can find values in terms of formulas. So now I have table without any formula. Again select the entire table, bring the cursor over the extreme left corner cell, press Alt S T. So with the help of this we can copy the format. Now have a look at these tables. We have entire things in the secondary table, but it is not formula enabled. Let's say I want to copy this entire data table without border. Select the entire data table, move the cursor to any other location, press Alt ES X. I have the same data table but without any border and grid. With the help of Paste Special, I can copy column widths. I am applying grid over this data. Alt H B. A is the keyboard shortcut. Let's say I want to fix the column width 18. So it is difficult me to again adjust the column width at 18. The task will be difficult to adjust column width for each and every column. With the help of Paste Special we can do without any extra effort. So copy this cell and apply Alt ES W. Alt ES W is the keyboard shortcut to copy cell widths. Apply OK. You can have the identical column widths. Place your cursor at the junction of any column 18. Now place your cursor at the point at the D column, same. So with minimum efforts we can copy width of the column. Our Paste Special function have some more applications like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division that also can be done for a wide range of data. Let's say I want to add 10,000 to every cells. So copy 10,000, select the data where you want to add this amount. Now apply Alt ES D. So now I have a data tables with addition of 10,000 in every cell. You can compare previous table and data and the new table. In each and every cell you will find a difference of 10,000. In similar manner we can deduct any amount from every cell of this table. Let's say we want to subtract 20,000 from each cell. So copy 20,000 and select the entire table, press Alt ES and S. Now I have data diminished by 20,000. Let's say we want to multiply the entire data by 3. So write here 3, write 3 at any of the place, select this 3. Now select the data table, press Alt ES M. Now I have the data table multiplied by 3. In similar manner we can divide the entire data table with the help of Paste Special. Let's say I want to divide the entire data table by 30. So write 30 in any locations, select entire data table, Alt ES I. Now our data has been divided by 30. So friend, in this way we have learned many important features of Paste Special. Paste Special is equipped with one more feature, that is data transpose. The data transpose means with the help of this option we can change the column into the rows and row into the column. So select the entire table, press Alt ES E. Now press enter. So you can see here the headers appearing in the row is now appearing in the column, and whereas the column is appearing as row header. Friends, I hope you managed to understand the utility of paste special function. If you have any suggestions or query, please feel free to comment down in the comment box. If you like the content of this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.